We're getting ready to run Windows 95 for the first time. But for the second time or third. It seems to be doing okay. We don't have a whole lot on this machine just yet, but knock on wood, he's just crunching along. Hopefully we'll get yes, I know I don't have a mouse. Setting up hardware and plug-and-play devices that you may have, as if there's a difference between hardware and plug-and-play devices. Thought they were all hardware. Oh yes, got to get that start menu set up. Got to abuse that floppy drive too, by the sounds of it. We are in a time zone. That one. I don't have a printer. All right, we'll restart. Again, for real, for the first time, for this install on this hard drive. There's that Windows 95 splash screen. What's going on behind it? You can hit escape on Windows 95 or Windows 98, maybe others as well, to see what it's doing behind the scenes. But I was too late. Looks like it found a video driver. Okay. I don't care. I know the master boot record was modified. I did it. I don't care if it's MS-DOS compatibility mode. Quad speeder higher. I mean, that's a HP CD writer plus. It's probably 32 speed or something crazy. I don't want to disable anything. Okay. Looks like it's having trouble, just like it did before. Well, let's see what my computer... Well, we'll restart it because it wants to. We'll see what drives pop in my computer. I'm starting to think that while this thing can boot Windows 95, it might be a touch older and a bit too weird for Windows 95. Might go Windows 3.1 or something else. Close. Let's go in my computer. It doesn't have a CD-ROM drive. You know what? Let's go crazy. This thing wants to act like a buggy, overblown 486. We'll treat it like an overblown 486. Okay. First thing I need is MS-DOS install disk number 1. I'm going to restart it, reset what this is. And yes, I am kind of giving up on Windows 95 on this machine. Let's see if we can at least get DOS on this machine, then I might call part 2 done. If everything seems to work okay. Invalid system disk, you say? Well, I'm having my doubts about this drive, maybe my disks. I'll just set those aside. I know I have that image, the install image for DOS on the GoTech. We will get there. I believe this is what we need to be on. GoTech doesn't care, but just in case. We'll make this into a really fast DOS box without Windows 95, if it works that way. There it goes, booting off that disk, or the image anyway. You can see it flashing there on camera. All right. It did not want to do that. Okay. Make you think so. All right. We'll just reformat the hard drive. All right, format complete. Don't need a volume label. Showing no bad sectors. That's pretty good for a drive that is close to 30 years old at this point. Anyway, wonder if we'll go through setup just like so. Yes. Well, the date and time isn't right, but that's okay. Install DOS 6.22 from floppy images. All right, DOS is installed. Everything is restarted, ready to go. Let's try to get the CD-ROM. You know what? Let's forget the CD-ROM. See if we can stuff Windows 3.1 on here. I have the GoTech set to disk 1 of Windows 3.1 set up. Sector not found, huh? Starting to think there really is something wrong with the floppy side of this controller anyway. Well, we got DOS installed anyway. I think this is quite far enough for part 2. Part 3, we're going to try something a little different. Just to see if we can actually get floppies to work reliably on this machine. But thank you for watching and have a good day.